Welcome back to the channel. Back on our lovely Range Rover Classic today, and I'm going to give the engine a bit of a service. Before that though, we'll do a bit of a walk around and I'll update you on progress, because it's been a couple of weeks since I put a video out, and basically last weekend it was so hot, the weather, I just thought, you know what, I can't be bothered with cars this week. So I had a weekend off. Weekend before that I did a tow bar on a BMW. That weren't worth filming, that was pretty boring, so I didn't bother making any videos. Right, so let's have a walk around. I'll show you what's been done. She's got new wheels on her. That looks smart with them on. Bumpers are being modified. Instead of them curving around the body, they're being capped off. Obviously there's still more work to go into that one. The other end has been ground back, but it still needs finishing. There's a brand new rear bumper there, which is going to have the same done to it. A bit push for space here. Grant's robbed the ramp for his Porsche, so I'm going to be working on the floor today. So let's get on it, and we'll start with draining the oil out of it. Look at that dirty, stinking diesel oil. can't find a funnel, so this is going to be hilarious. Any idea how much these are? Because I haven't got a clue. That's 5 litres in there, that'll do for a start. 300 TDI, 300 TDI holds 6, so that's got to be at least 6, I would have thought. We'll find out there. Right, start them up. Always do love a flat battery. I'll just tighten that up. That might help, might not help me much. And that one's loose as well. Right, try again. Right, while the oil is settling back down to the sump, we'll change the fuel filter. The rubber seal from the middle of the filter is stuck on the thread. Also, I noticed on the outside of that filter there's no seal at all, and it didn't fall off. So how was that not leaking? There we go, that's what I wanted to get off that. Right. So now, wind this one on. Right, now I don't know how well you're going to see this, but we'll have a go. To prime it, turn the torch on the camera so you can see. If I can get the camera in there. On the bottom of the mechanical fuel pump, on the side of the engine, I'll get my phone in there. There's a lever, see that lever? Basically pumps the fuel pump without the engine running to fill the fuel filter. There is a bleed on top of there, look, which I may need to loosen. We'll just keep pumping this. There you go, he's sucking fuel now. Alright, we'll leave that for 5. I'll dip the oil now. I think she holds a bit more than 5 litres. Just on the bottom of the stick now. I don't know if you can see that on it. There we go. It's about 3/4 of the way up now. Right, and resume to pumping out a fuel filter. See what happens. Right, has anybody who's watching this got one of these with a VM diesel in it who can email me pictures of how the air filter goes? Because obviously it had this shit on it and we want to get rid of that and put the proper air filter back on, but I'm sure there's something missing. I'll spin you around, I'll show you what I mean. Right, this has got to go somewhere in there like so. Now, I don't know if that's the proper pipe for it, that one, but it seems too long, and this has got to come way forward like where the battery is. So, but I'm looking at this down here, and because where this air cleaner's got to come so far forwards, that bracket, alright, it can bolt to there, and I'm sure they're supposed to be on cotton reel rubbers on here. But I'm thinking, we'll just get this phone off of here a minute. So there's meant to be another bracket that goes in here, what all this lot sits onto with rubber cotton reels. As I say, I don't know, because it had this air filter on it, and obviously we want to put that one on. But I'm not sure how it goes, and I'm 100% there's bits missing, but I'm not sure what. So if someone could email me some pictures of their air cleaner housing and how they've got theirs set up, that would be appreciated. pistonbrokelr at gmail.com, and let us know what I'm missing, because I'm pretty sure something is missing. Right, back home now, and I forgot to do an outro. So here's the outro. Yeah, if someone could let me know with that'd be much appreciated. So until next time, all the best. Look after yourselves. I'll see you next time.